To enable the AutoVent, turn the switch to the fan on. The green power light will light up and the AutoVent will initialize and start running the fan. The indicator light will be blinking blue, indicating the fan is performing a timed vent. It will continue running the fan for a period of time set by switches on the device. After the time is up, AutoVent will turn off the fan and enter standby mode. This is indicated by the indicator light turning red. In standby mode, AutoVent monitors the conditions in the bathroom to maintain proper humidity levels. When a humidity event occurs, the indicator light will start blinking green, and AutoVent will turn the fan on. The light continues to blink green until humidity is brought to a satisfactory level, and then turns to solid green. 1 minute later, AutoVent will return to standby mode and turn off the fan. If you need to vent the bathroom, simply turn the switch off and then on again, and AutoVent will perform a timed vent and then return again to standby mode. Thank you for choosing AutoVent.